So if y'all want to learn how to put together some nice, juicy, creamy stewed peas like this, baby, all y'all got to do, go over to the Rowdy Food Network and subscribe. That's where the recipe's going to be at. Stewed peas.
Ready for the thumping, ready for the thumping.
Okay, listen.
What we got here?
We got all the meat that we showed before.
What's that?
In one. So we have pig trotters, chicken foot, stewing beef. This is cow skin. I modify my stew peas, so I had turkey neck. You can put any of your favorite meat in your stew peas. That's the thing. So that's it in this bowl. And this is the pigstail. The main source of stew peas. Without this, it's not really stew peas.
That's the flavor.
But the reason why we separate it, they are big and nice. I like them. I didn't cut them smaller. This is my desired size. Okay. But you can cut them smaller if you want. I separate it from the rest of meat because the pigstail, everybody know pigstail. We got the salted one. That's the perfect one for stew peas. The pigstail have its own flavor and it's salty, so it don't need to season with the rest of the meat. So I separate it.
Alright. So you're about to do your seasoning now.
So I'm gonna do the seasoning now.
Pot bubbling up right now. Add a little water to it though.
You see all that meat that we had marinating, yeah? We're gonna separate this meat again. Stew peas is layers, yeah? So we're gonna separate this meat now. What we're gonna put in together to cook first with the peas is the toughest meat, the meat that takes longest to cook. We're gonna put that in with the peas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the ones that I'm not putting in now. So as I said, guys, you can put in whatever meat you desire in stew peas, but initially stew peas is peas, pigstail mostly. That's the bread and butter. Some pig trotters. You have to get your pig trotters if you want stew peas in a Jamaica. Most of we love the chicken foot in it as well. Alright, so today I put most of the traditional meat, but I tweak it a bit for my family. So I put some turkey neck in it as well. Cause it's guys, you can try it. It's nice in the stew peas, the turkey neck. Sometimes I put the oxtail, but I think the stew peas take away from the oxtail. Ask anyone else who tried it with the oxtail and let me know. So, stewed peas have to cook with love and patience to get a perfect pot of stewed peas. Some of the meat them cook faster than some, so that's why we have to do this. That's the reason for the layers and the separation of meat. My menu today, if you try it to the exact T, you'll get a perfect pot of stewed peas. So there we go. As the Jamaicans, them would have said the tougher meat, them go in with the peas first. See there? Leave that for boil up and then lock the pressure cooker for 10 minutes. This extra pot of water is for the pigstail, because we're gonna boil the pigstail separately before adding it to the stewed peas. Reason being, the amount of pigstail going in the pot of stewed peas is a lot. So putting the pigstail with the other meat while they're cooking, it's gonna salt your pot. Trust me. So we have to do this. So we'll boil out some of the salt. That's what we're doing right now. So we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then taste it. Take a little piece off of one of them and taste it and see if it's at your desired taste of salt. Because what I noticed is that some pigstail salter than some. Because when I was in Jamaica, the pigstail in Jamaica way salter than the ones that I taste here in England. So you have to do that taste test. After 10 minutes, I'll do mine. So here we go, guys. After 10 minutes, I test my pigstail and it was perfect to my taste. So I drained it, get rid of the water, and it's ready now to add to the mix. Stay tuned. So guys, it's been over 10 minutes for the pressure cooker. So we're gonna open it now. Remember, after it cooled down. Here we go. So let's test the meat. Oh, it looks lovely. Look at that. Oh my days. Let me turn the lighting on over the cooker. Look at that, guys. Red. That's how stewed peas should look. Look how red and juicy that look. So I'm pleased with the progress of the meat in the pot. So I'm gonna add the rest to it now and give it another about 10 minutes again in the pressure cooker to, yeah, about another 10 minutes after I add the rest. This is it. Rest of the meat going in. There we go. So we're gonna leave that to boil up before we close the pressure cooker again for another 10 minutes. Oh my God. Wish you guys could smell this already. So we're gonna leave that to boil up and then close the pot. The pressure cooker stopped, so opening it now. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. You see in the pot? Look at that. Look at that. All the meat. That's cool. Everything is cooked perfectly. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add the seasoning. We're gonna add the seasoning to it now. So what we're gonna add to the stew peas for it to finish. Sweet pepper, green and red. I'm using scallion, spring onion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, of course, half an onion, and a small piece of ginger. This gives flavor.
What up, what up, what up? I hope y'all learned something today, because now we come to the final part of the video, y'all. The taste test. This is the best part of the job right here. The best part of the job. Can I get a rundown of everything that's on my plate real quick?